All right, boys and girls, let's get started on Homelinks 7.9. All right, once again, we're continuing working on fractions and looking at them on the number line. You are to partition the holes on each number line. Then locate the label, and label the given fractions. All right, so we have 1/2 here. So we know there's going to be 2 parts. This is 1, so we know we're going to have to split this right in the middle. So that would give me 1 part, and that would give me 2 parts. So 1/2 would be right here. All right. Number 2, fourths. We know that we're going to divide this up into fourths because it says 4 is the denominator. So 1 is my whole here, so I know I need to do it into 4 parts. So I can take and do it in half, and then split that each side into halves, and that would give me fourths. 1/4, which would be right here, and then 2, 3, and then 4/4 would be equal to 1 whole. Excuse me. 2/3. This tells me that I need to have 3 equal parts. Only doing it in up to 1, so I'm going to have to divide this into 3 as close to even parts as I can get. Okay, and that tells me there's 1, 2, 3 parts, and I need to do 2 of those. So 1, 2/3 would be right there. Right, good. The next one is divided into 6. So if I take my thirds, which was right above it, and mark them there, and then take each section there and divide those down the middle, that'll give me 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and I need to do 5 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and right here is my 5, 6. Or you could have looked at this. You know 1 whole is going to be 6, 6, so it would have just been back 1. All right, and down on the try me, okay, notice here we have 3 halves. Look at the numerator. The numerator is larger than the denominator, so we know it's more than 1. And if we look down here, we have 4 halves. 4 halves tell me that would be 2 wholes. So we can go ahead and take and divide this right down the middle, okay? And if we divide it right in the middle, that's going to tell me that's 1 whole. All right, and I want to do this in half, so this would be half of this section, and this would be half of this section. So from here to here would be 1/2, and from here to here would be 2 halves, or 1 whole, and then from 1 whole to the next line would give me my 3 halves, which is what we're looking for, and then 4 halves takes me to the end, which is equal to 2 wholes. All right, boys and girls, that ends lesson 7.9.